Let's have a look at how you can get the most out of notification rules for your Rollbar project. Now the first thing is to select the projects menu on the left hand side and you will get a list of all your projects. Let's go ahead and work on this front end project. Once you've clicked on the individual project, on the left hand menu under integration, select notifications. This will show you the list of all your configured notifications as well as allowing you to add additional notifications. Let's go ahead and look at some of the most popular ones. The first one is email notifications. Whenever a Rollbar project is created, by default, you will get 11 notification rules. These can be altered and modified as required. Typically, you've got to decide what you would like to get notified upon. Typically, a good set of rules would be any new item that Rollbar has never seen before. You definitely want to know about those. And then if you get an item that was reopened, that you resolved, you fixed, but now it's back again, that is another great rule that we recommend setting up. So let's look at a new item first. So what I would like to do is select the new item and now configure my rule. So would I like to notify? I can either notify individuals or a team. If I notify one or multiple teams, all the individuals in that team will get notified. I can now, of course, set, do I want to get notified for errors and more severe, like errors and critical crashes, or warnings and more severe? This is up to you. Typically, error and more severe is the one to go with. Then, of course, I get more specific. If I only would like to get notified on certain items or files or types of environments, maybe only production, I can go ahead and do that as well. And do note that you can add multiple of these rules within the notification itself. Again, this is a great way to modify these. If you would like a daily notification, go ahead and add the daily summary report and you can send those out to individuals. Now, one of the most interesting integrations, of course, is if you integrate with messaging systems like Slack or others. So for Slack notifications, you go ahead and you can also set up these types of rules. Again, what is also nice is think about the users that will be using this so that they don't get flooded with lots of messages. You want to make sure that you give them the most appropriate messages when they happen. For a Slack notification, you can also alter the message template. So that is what is going to be shown within the Slack channel itself. Again, this is a great way to change these to be very specific to your team or to your project. Again, we recommend setting up as many of these notifications as you need, but keep them as relevant without flooding your users. And this is what we recommend to get the best out of Rollbar's notification rules.